Sugar, you get so fly.
Okay, so the items you will need for this project are a round glass vase, 3 bundles of white roses, hot glue gun with glue sticks, wire cutters, and scissors, which I ended up not using. So the first thing I did was with an alcohol and cotton swab clean the bottom sticker of the vase, and then with my wire cutters I cut the very bottom of the stem of each of the flowers, and I did that to all of them until I was completely finished. After cutting all the flowers, I actually had to go back and trim the bottom of the stem just a little bit, and then I did this to all of the flowers to match each one. And I cleaned the inside of my vase with a paper towel to get rid of all of my fingerprints, and with the hot glue I just put a dab on the middle of it and started sticking all of my flowers in the middle. Using the rest of the flowers, continue to do the same until you have used all of your flowers up. Once I finished sticking all of my flowers down in the vase, I had a couple of petals that were sticking out, so I used a little bit of hot glue and stuck those back up to the top. Alright, that is it. That completes our project and we are completely finished.
Sugar, you get so fly.
Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, please let me know down in the comments below. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. Thank you.